another one that stopped and looked at me, was staring at me. Hi, baby. Hello. How are you? Hello. You don't have to run away. These are pretty flowers. What are these flowers? Pink flowers. You know, there's certain places where I get a lot of messages more than others. Oh, look! What is that? Is that a yes, that is. Okay. Okay, so that's basically what he was doing right here. And then as I approached, he looked straight at me for a little bit. Interesting. Beauty's Pizza. I wonder what's going on with them. Or something. Beauty. Oh, okay. I broke out another pimple again. Okay. Oh, somebody's doing some kind of beauty rituals or setting evil eye to somebody's beauty right now. Yeah. Yuppity, yuppity. Just ridiculous. What is that on the ground over there? Paper or something. Anyways. Yeah, the 187 on a motherfucking... I've been picking up on her ass lately. Yeah, her trial shit. Anyways, I don't know what's up with this bird, why he was doing that. I don't know. But somebody was looking out from the roof. 6969. Looking out from the rooftops. I remember when I had that crazy ass dream. That got me scared for literally like 3 months, I swear. Before I started feeling safe again. I don't know what the hell that dream was fucking predicting. But it was not nice. It was not nice. It was not nice. I don't know what I was running from. School bus. Yeah, I can't believe I did that reading yesterday. And then it says school bus, and then the kid was hit by a school bus. I'm like, oh my God. Terrible. Like, how do you run over a kid in a school? I don't know. Nuts. Very nuts. Anyways, going to get a coffee. Coffee. I just want a coffee today. I don't know why.